The next one we're going to do is we call them ABCs. So we're going to draw the ABCs with the ankle. What you'll want to look out for is tracing the ABCs with your leg as opposed to your ankle, because if you use the leg, it's not going to work. We want to mobilize with the ankle joint. So you can stabilize your thigh by hanging onto it and just tracing with your toe. You want to move through the ankle joint. So you do uppercase A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, it's complicated, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, doesn't have to be perfect, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And you'll really feel that in the ankle. And let's swap it over to the opposite side. I'm going to do it with you. You can always fast forward and skip me. That's the beauty of video. So A, B, and you might find that one side's a little bit different, more mobile. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, P, Q, almost there, R, S, T, U, V, longest ever, W, X, Y, Z. There you have it. How'd you do? It's a tough one, but don't worry about it. It's not a big deal.